There are many different phases to how you learn. In the beginning, it becomes a hobby. This looks cool. Shit, it's fun. Oh shit, I made money. Oh shit, I lost money. Oh crap, I made a lot of money. Oh, this is fun. Oh fuck, I lost my money. I'm going back to work. Oh shit, I saved some money, I put it back in. It becomes a fucking casino, dude. You treat it like a casino. In the beginning, it's like, it's a hobby, right? It's a casino. And so I've lost a lot of money because I treated it like a casino. I thought everything was fucking random, dude. I thought trading was random, like casino. It's like luck. Everything's luck. You got lucky. You got lucky. That's because I had a job that made me a lot of money, and so I fucking gambled it away. A very good friend of mine, Corey, he just told me last night. He goes, "Bow, you know what the fucking problem is? I go on these streaks, and then I fucking get pounded the next one. And that's because I think I make too much money, and so like." If you have that safety net, you don't treat it like, you break your discipline. You know why? Because when you break your rules, you know what the first thing that goes through your head? You're making excuses for yourself, right? You're making excuses so that you can break the rule. So that's why I do this all the time. Oh, fuck, I'm stuck. Should I cover and take the loss? No. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into a filing. I'm starting reading filings because somewhere in the filing is going to convince me that holding it, it's a good thing. I'm going to fucking work my ass off to find that fucking piece of information in the filing that's going to say, Bow, hold on to this fucking loser because you cannot be wrong. So I'm fucking checking all this shit. You know what? You should have checked all that shit before you got into the trade. That's to be honest with you. And every time I lose, bro, every time I check in filings midday, it means I'm losing. I'm looking for fucking reasons. If I'm going to Twitter and looking for data information at fucking 11 a.m., it means I'm stuck. I'm looking for any reason to convince myself that I was not a dumbass. But I am a dumbass. I should have done all this shit before I got into the trade. Am I right, guys? Do you guys find yourself doing that? Looking for a fucking reason to keep holding on to a fucking loser. Same thing with relationship, right? Same thing with a bad relationship. I've been with her for 4 years. I can't let it go. I've been holding this stock for fucking 4 years. I'm fucking down, but I gotta stick through it. Fuck, dude. So you look for all sorts of silver linings. I was like, well, she's a fucking crack addict, but she takes good care of me when she's not on drugs. so it's like, dude, you knew you should have got, if you cut your losses a long time ago, just like a stock, you'd be okay, right? So that's why I tell you guys about the 10-30 rule. It could be anything, man. It's a good rule, but it's only as good as the operator fucking executing the rule. And so when I lost all my fucking money for the third or fourth time, I couldn't fucking re-up it anymore. My job, I was making a lot of money, man. I was a software engineer, so I was making a lot of money. And so I was like, I didn't give a fuck because the next paycheck's gonna reload my fucking my casino account. Right? I was like, I'm just gonna wait till the next paycheck, next bonus, refill my fucking my casino account, and go back to the fucking casino again. It's only when I was like, oh fuck, dude, I'm fucking stuck. And I went back to my trades. I realized I made money every fucking time. I stuck to the rules. I lose it the same exact way. I get into this I cannot be wrong. I'm looking into filings. I'll fucking keep adding. I cannot be fucking wrong. I was right 10th other time, and I blow it on one convicted trade. Conviction is only as good as your bankroll, bro. That could be a quote by me. Conviction is only good as your bankroll. If I had $1 billion, I'm convicted until I lose all my bankroll. And whatever your bankroll is gone, you're still convicted? I'm like, aha, I lost all my money, but a month later, Tesla went down. Bro, I'd rather be rich than right. And that's why I keep talking about Tesla, okay? Tesla is a classic example where, yeah, dude, it's a fucking... This guy's on drugs, tweeting, dude. Elon is fucking like he's crazy. But you know what, man? Fuck, man. I'm not here to fucking debate whether or not the company is a good company. I'm here to make money. Fucking shit fucking went from $100 to $400. I mean, how right could you be? Now it's like $300. So the moment I stopped treating trading as gambling, And I took it seriously. I was like, fuck, man. So I'm like, I'm going to treat it like a job. If I am going to make it as a day trader, I'm going to treat it as a good job. I'm going to not even think about my job that's paying me every month, every week. I'm like, dude, what if I had to fucking live on whatever I kill in the markets? So now I'm going back to the caveman, right? I'm the caveman now. If you want to fucking, yeah, you basically eat what you killed for the day. If you don't fucking kill anything, you starve. And so I call it feast or famine. Trading is basically feast or famine. Either you make a big killing, you're fucking eating well. But man, there are a lot of days where you go out and you fucking find nothing. Or even worse, you lose money. You go out and you fucking hunt and the fucking bear like fucking breaks your leg, dude. I should have just stayed home. I wouldn't have a broken leg. I'd be hungry, but at least I don't have a broken leg and be hungry. And that's fucking real trading right there, guys. So it's feast or fucking famine, meaning this. When you're feasting, save your fucking money. Famine will come. It's a cycle, man. No one wins forever. And so when I'm feasting, I'm fucking saving fucking money. Risk management, put shit away, pay my fucking bills, save money for the rent. Because when the famine days, you're fucking hungry and you can draw upon that savings, right? So I keep telling people, it's not how much you make, guys, it's how much you save. A lot of rich motherfuckers out there that have go bankrupt. Happens all the time. It's not how much you make. My parents came here with fucking nothing. They made minimum wage and they got fucking more money than most Americans. So they saved everything. They're cheap ass. They're extreme case. You don't want to do that. You know, they're probably, now they're enjoying their life, but they're too old. Right? So there's a balance, guys. There's a balance. But the moment I treated trading as not as like my sole income, I started doing well because I'm like, fuck, dude. And then I'll tell you the psychology of so this is like a life coach thing. When I go and I look into my bank account and I have $200, I'm like, fuck. I'm sad. I'm like, fuck it. I'm gonna spend. Who the fuck cares? Like $200, zero. And so it's down to zero. But when I see, let's say 10,000 in my account checking, I'm like, fuck. Now I'm gonna be cheap because I know how hard it was to get to that fucking 10,000 savings. So it's actually reversed, dude. The more you save, the more you're like, shit, dude. Should I really spend that? Because it took me a long time to save that money. But when you have nothing, you're like, fuck it, YOLO, right? Same thing with trading, guys. When you start making money, this shit is like, you don't want to give it back, man. And that's your whole thing, man. That's your whole fucking mentality. Because I lost too much money, Ray. So so this is where risk management comes in. And another good thing would be you keep your accounts kind of low, so you can't blow up. So you take out money. Let's say I'll give you an example. Let's say you have 50,000 in your account. You make a little money. You take everything you make. You take fucking half out, maybe. Every gain you have, you take half of every gain you take out. So your account is still fucking building. So like 50,000, you make 10,000 this week, take fucking 5,000 out. Now your account grew to 55 and you have $5,000. So you keep fucking doing that. And at some point you don't need a bigger, at some point, let's say you hit 100 grand. Like you really need to trade more than fucking 100, like with margins like $400,000. No, right? You can, but I'm like, so everything over a certain amount, I'm fucking taking it out. You see what I'm saying? So this is a sort of risk mentality, that you have. That's the thing that you should have. And what your bankroll dictates how much you should trade. It's like poker, dude. It's like going into the low limits 2 and 5 or going to the 10, 20s, dude. You need an exponential amount of more money to be able to take a $5,000 loss, or like Alex's case. Like, I'm not going to tell you guys how much he's trading with, but dude, it's the same fucking mathematics. You have to be able to take a bunch of these fucking hits and be okay with it. So scaling up is not just scaling up with it's building your bankroll so that you can play the bigger thing. But there's a limit, man. I mean, I'll repost that thing where it says you make. Let me pull that up again. I'm gonna put that on the screen because this is very important that everybody should see every single day. Print it out, put it up, whatever the hell you need to do. Look, guys, as simple as that, dude. How many of you guys make 100 grand here? I don't think many. This is a good amount. I don't think many make this. It's only fucking $400, bro. You think you can do $400 a day? Hell yeah. When you hit 400, what do? You scale down. You don't want to lose more than 300. So maybe give yourself $100 to fucking, you know, there's a bunch of ways you can do it. And people say, let your winners run. It's true. It's true. But fucking leave your P&L up, dude. Because at this stage in your life, you don't have a big enough bankroll to do that kind of shit, right? I'm trying to build the bankroll. The first step is to build the bankroll. And so like you give yourself, I mean, if you, it's very easy to make the very first hour like your nut, which is one of these. But then over time you grind it, and like so I mean, there's many people are gonna scream at me and tell me there's a wrong way. You should hit it hard. I'm like, dude, this is just from a guy that had nothing. Fuck, man, it'll take a lot of time. Like this is my entire bankroll. I don't want to lose my bankroll, right? So and my whole goal is, if you have, remember, you can do anything in life if it's within your plan. So you pre-plan. My plan is to grow my bankroll from 10,000 to 20,000. How do I do that? If I make $500 a day, I can do that in X days. Don't deviate from that kind of shit, right, guys? Because I'm telling you, man, this is all it takes. And to be brutally honest, like Alex is swinging too big. 20,000 up and down days. If he just stuck to this number, he can make $1 million a year. And by sticking to the number, I'll tell you a couple of reasons why. When you're in such a big position, it doesn't take much for you to fucking like take a $30,000 loss. Like a 50-cent loss is 50 cents, nothing. It's a fucking $30,000 loss. You know what I'm saying? If you just fucking hold a small amount, you can hold it so that you can ride this shit for $1 or $2 and still make a fucking money. The key is consistency, guys. I've seen a lot of guys. I have a lot of prop trader friends back in the day that would swing even 100,000 up and down a day. At the end of the year, bro, I guarantee you I made more than them every fucking year. Every fucking year sticking to this thing. Every fucking one of them. I made more money than all my fucking prop friends back then. They used to laugh at me. I started with $300 days, moved up to $3,000 days. And these guys are swinging $25,000, $100,000 up and down every day. And they were laughing. And they're fucking driving fat right now. They're driving an Uber right now. And this is the guy that was making $100,000 a day as a prop trader. $10 million buying power. Swinging up and down 50,000. Think he's those shits. And then boom, one big ass fucking hit. Millions of dollars of hit done. Career wiped out. Whereas I'm sleeping fine. I'm fucking doing my little shit. You know? Stress-free. So there are many different ways to do it. Many different ways, guys. I'm just telling you how I did it. And I think mine's the easiest practical way to do it. A little bit by little bit. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because over a course of a year that you're grinding like this, you will learn so much, guys, that you can now take bigger risk and scale, right? So